late night POV drive, man. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all, boy, we dropping these videos back to back to back, man. We're going back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? We finna get it right. We will get that 15K. What the hell? Y'all boys so hell, man.
My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. And we got a, you know what I'm saying? We got a little company this POV, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy, man. They ooh, hold on, y'all. Hold on. I ain't mean to start the video all like this. Dang, that bit low. Ooh. Y'all getting all this, man. Raw and uncut. But yeah, man, late night POV, man. Y'all can see I got my partners up there. You know what I'm saying? Got my partners up there, man. They getting in the video with me. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, appreciate y'all, boy. It's nippy outside, y'all, boy. I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, we finna make the best of it. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. You know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And, yeah, man, I can't have these all the way down. I ain't gonna lie. We're finna do a little nighttime POV drive, man. See, we got the stars on. They on red this time. Usually don't have red. Red my favorite color, though, but I just always have it on red for real. But y'all see we got the red, you know what I'm saying? Red ambient lighting. You know what I'm saying? Stars on twinkle going crazy. But yeah, oh yeah, by the way, this 300 right here, that big catless and straight pipe. So, pretty loud. So y'all gonna see. You know what I'm saying? We finna put this in my little mode. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get right. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna really talk too much, man. Y'all boys just, you know, y'all boys just go crazy. Well, not go crazy. I'm talking about them, my bad, but y'all boys just, you know what I'm saying, sit back and watch, man. I'm gonna talk here and there, but I'm really just cruising, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it thunder right quick. Y'all hit it, boy. Y'all hit it, boy, bro. These boys going crazy. My nigga going crazy, cuz. Nigga going crazy. My boy going crazy, cuz. But yeah, man, late night POV drive, man. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all, boy, we dropping these videos back to back to back, man. We're going back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? We finna get it right. We will get that 15K. What the hell? My boy's so hell, man. Nah, it stink outside. Yeah, man. Our boys, dang. Yeah, like I was saying, man, this is. We back to back with it, you know what I'm saying? That's what I was saying. We back to back with it. You feel me? What these boys talking about? We back to back with it. You know what I'm saying? With the upload, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that 15K. That's what I'm trying to say. These boys got me, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to drive and pay attention to what they got going on. But yeah, man. We with it, man. Trying to get that 15K. We gonna get that 15K. You feel me? The crazy. Yeah, man. I feel like my back windows ain't down enough. There we go. I sound a little more louder than I was like, but I barely can hear the cover real. I hear that echo, man. That echo is crazy. That echo is crazy. Well, yeah, man, we getting that 15K, man. The quick way, man, you feel me? So we upload 10 days straight, minimum 10 days straight, man. You know what I'm saying? My little VLOGMAS to y'all, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? For the holiday, where y'all both be out of school before they do be in school of some sort. We got a little more free time. You know what I'm saying? Check your boy out, man. I'm trying to get right. Finna get big, you know what I'm saying? January, man, we back at it. We back in motion. You know what I'm saying? I know I ain't monetized right now, but in January, bro. In the middle of January, bro, we back in motion, bro. You know what I'm saying? We finna get straight to it. We gotta run it up, bro. I've been missing out on so much. You know what I'm saying? Monetization-wise, I've been missing out on so much, bro. Like, a lot, bro. I was running it up, Cari, cool, bro. So, we finna get all that back. You know what I'm saying? And those on these videos right here, they gonna go crazy. And when January come, bro, I need y'all to watch these videos again, bro. All these videos I'm dropping now. So I can go ahead, you know what I'm saying, get that ad time ran, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my bad taken away, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't tripping. I'm still blessed, but it's just like, you know what I'm saying? That was coming in handy. That was coming in handy, you know what I'm saying? So that was coming in handy, you feel me? Why I got the heater on? I'm tripping. It keeping me warm, though. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, like, it's something bad, man. But you know, I ain't tripping. You know, we still here. You know what I'm saying? We still record, man. I do this out of the love. You feel me? It's out of the love. Like, of course, they kind of mess with you when they do that, cause like, you know what I'm saying, something you're used to, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man. We going crazy. Y'all come back and watch these videos, man, after January. It's January 17th, bro. The day I can reapply, bro. So, or next year. January 17th, bro. So, with that being said, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get back right. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy run these videos back, man. Run this up for me again. Run it up now. Anyway, we'll run them back next year. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still be dropping video, obviously, but you know what I'm saying? Run these back, man. And if you are new, man, hit that subscribe button, man. That's hard. If you are new, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Cari crew, you feel me? Nice little nighttime POV, nothing too crazy with the guys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That's what's going on. So make sure y'all continue to hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? If you're still watching, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, if you're still watching, you feel me? Do your boy a favor. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy not be disappointed. We finna go crazy. You know what I'm saying? We finna literally go crazy and get back in my bag, bro. Like, I'm really like that. Like, when it comes to videos, consistency, all that, bro. I been did it. Been proving myself. Like, you know what I'm saying? We finna get right, though. But you know what I'm saying? We finna park right quick. I'm gonna probably hop out, show an outside view. Show an outside view of the whips. So y'all can see what's going on. It's a trad bag right there too, and I'm not trying to run that mug over, bro. You know what I'm saying? See Cari crew, you gotta stand your P's and Q's, boy, at all times. I don't even see that, obviously, but you gotta see that, man. You gotta look over that hood when you drive. You gotta look 3 feet ahead when you drive, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, yeah. Here now, here now. See, it's that bag right there I'm talking about. Right there. Come on, cousin. Come on, cousin. I had to get right next to Cuz right quick, man, so we can go ahead, you know what I mean? I'll probably get a nice little thumbnail. Probably get a nice little thumbnail. Oh, yeah. Come on, man, y'all see that right there? I didn't even know I had that. Yeah, y'all see, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. That's a hard little picture right there. That might be the thumbnail, cuz. That might be the thumbnail right there. Ooh, what y'all see what's going on, man? Yeah. I see Olivia looking crispy. You know what I'm saying? They got a 300. The cat was 300. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get that wrap flat. My Lord, why would you do that? Bro, why would you do that, bro? Why would you blow all that heat on my leg, bro?
You feel good, don't you?
You scared a little bit. You scared me though. I know. Oh, you ain't scared me, but yeah. Yeah. That was a smooth little cruise, bro. Even though we didn't really do shit, we really could have went longer. I ain't gonna lie. We really could have went longer though. I ain't gonna cap.
No, that was APD. That was University.
Yeah, it done. Y'all up the head, man. Here, man.
University, they had their blue light on.
I ain't gonna lie. We really could have kept going straight and went down past the airport and then turned around by the Dollar General.
Yeah, now the airport a good cruise.
On me. Then come back to that bit of Ryan.
If you ever want a late night gig on some fresh like room.
Yeah.
On my job. Yeah. They be
Yeah, man. Y'all see, man. We got the Chandler right here, man. Smooth Chrysler 300 with a panoramic roof on the top. And then you got big Olivia right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Of all the folks, I ain't never seen her. So I got going on. Started the wave club by one front with these right here, man. You know what I'm saying? You see how bright them is. You can't even see the LED strip. It's so bright, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I see my baby right here going crazy. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Oh boy, look at this view, man. Look at this view, dog. That's crazy. Nice little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, hit that like button, man. Like I said, at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, stay blessed, man. Talk to him every day. Ask him for guidance, man, and try to be a better person than you were yesterday, man. The best way you can. You know what I'm saying? Just a little motivation. But yeah, man, y'all people live here with the lip. But like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.